First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is that lever that needs to be turned towards the right side completely, and then we need to lift up the hood. This is that lever that I was talking about that needs to be turned towards the right side, and then we lift up the hood. While holding the hood, we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, facing from the front, notice there is one screw right there that you're supposed to take out. And then on the other end, notice there is one screw right here. Behind there's one more screw that also needs to be taken out. And then the fourth screw is right there that we also need to take out. What I'll do is I'll use an 8mm socket along with a small wrench and extension. We will put the socket on the extension and take out all of those screws one by one. Now notice while taking out the screw, this screw actually does not come out completely by itself. It actually gets stuck there and it does not come out completely. Here I'm showing you one more time, it gets stuck right there. We'll just keep it to that and move on to the other screw. Again, similar process, we'll just take it out as much as we can. This one also came out. We'll keep it to the point where it's going up and down just like that. Now we'll take out the screws which are behind. Again, the key is we are taking out the screws to a point where they're going up and down just like that. Now it's time to take out the final screw. And there it's also taken out up until the middle point. Once we are done with all the screws, now we'll grab the top cover and then lift it all the way upside, and there is our engineer filter. While holding the cover, we will pull out the filter from right here. There it is. Just pull it outwards. And just like that, that is how we take out the engineer filter for this car. My case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side right there stays at the top and the other side with the plastic cover stays at the bottom. Also make sure there is a tab coming out right here. This has to be towards yourself. So we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. We will lift up the top cover all the way upside and then we'll go ahead to punch in the filter. There it is. Just make sure it goes completely in. Once it goes completely in, then we'll go ahead and punch in the top cover. One more time, just make sure it is completely down, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and tighten all those screws one by one. There it is. First one is tight. Make sure you are not over tightening it. Now we'll tighten the second screw. Second screw is tight. Now we will tighten the third one. In my case, once the screws are tight, notice the tool sometimes gets stuck. Just be careful not to drop the tool while tightening all the screws. There it is. The fourth screw is also tight. With that, we are done with the replacement of engineer filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.